Hello again. Right, now after we've come out of the forge and we've got it up to a reasonably high temperature and let it cool slowly, we've got it annealed. What that means is that the steel is now softer than it was when I got hold of it as a leaf spring. We come out in this sort of state. Now, yes, we can work on it if you're pretty good at using chalk, but I prefer to get it to a state where it's a bit cleaner. I could stick some paper, sort of template on there if I wanted. So I'm going to clean up the two blanks using, very simple, it's one of those abrasive flap wheels on an old drill, and very much like the cutting disc and grinding disc to its own dedicated little actual tool, this stays on here the whole time. So that is used basically to clean it all up using this grind wheel. So we'll set it all up, show you how to get on with that. Cheers. So I've got it clamped pretty securely, that G-clamp. Move that out of the way a bit. And all I'm worried about is getting that place there worked on, and I'll just move it over when I get to the G-clamp. Keep swapping it over. Get the idea. I'll get back when I've finished it all off. Right, so once that's really clean, you can stick your design back on. And I say I've photocopied that 3 times over because these things do end up dying. Other guys on the net use more of a card template, but I just use paper and whack it on a little photocopier. We don't want to lose sight of where we're trying to go, so I just put another sort of sketch on there, and then we can grind to that. Alright, so here we go with a bit of shaping. Carry on like that till you get to your line. So we've got nice square edges for the guard to go up against. Okay, obviously that's really hard steel. Normally people come up with high speed steel drill bits. I use cobalt steel just to get through it, but you've got to punch it first. So a centre punch on a hard surface, one sharp tap, and then there for the lanyard hole. Right. I always got to dress the tip up again because it's almost as hard as a high speed steel. There we go. It's what I've managed to get hold of. A cheap jobber set of cobalt steel drill bit for tool station. Takes £6 for a pack that big. With cobalt steel, drill slow, and use a lubricant. But it's still hard work with a drill because it's not a drill press. I can't get the same force because this is moving. This is where I lose a bit of capability because I ain't got a drill press, but here we go. I'm not going to a 6 straight away, I'm starting on a 3. There we go. On the next one. Now about that punch dent there, this is one to be skipping all over the place and would tear the paper off and all sorts. It's worth hitting it with a drill, with a sorry. Centre punch. So I'm not going very fast. We drill it out with a bigger drill later on.